I go to Paris tomorrow and I'm there for 2 days, then I go to Nice, so I need to pack. It is, what time is it? Oh, my phone's here. It is 7:30 and my flight's at like, I think 8 tomorrow, I don't actually know. Something like that anyway. So, I guess first things first is get a suitcase out. I'm going to try and do this real quick, or as quick as I can. I tend to do shoes on one side, clothes on the other. I don't think I need that much, but we shall see. Hi! Live trains. At least at East Croyd at Gatwick now you can use Oyster. Before you had to buy a ticket.
Oh yeah, true. Oh my god, that's a good point.
Gatwick Airport. What terminal are we? Oh yeah, but I've got like little crop tops and stuff like that, so it all fits in quite nicely. If I fold, then I can't see anything in there. I'm going to take some curlers with me, I think. Should I?
What, take others?
Yeah.
If you want to. I can bring them anyway, just in case.
Yeah, but the likeliness of me actually using them is nil, but...
Oh, okay. When was the last time you curled your hair?
Fucking 2 years ago.
Okay, then just leave them.
No, I'll bring them, because like, you might be like faffing getting ready for so long that I might be like, fuck it, I'll curl my hair. You know? I feel like that probably will happen. Come on, you know yourself. It will, won't it?
My stuff's not going to fit in my suitcase, but it's fine.
How big is your suitcase?
It's just like that 22 kilo first one. Oh, my clothes are so big.
32?
No, 23, sorry.
Oh. You definitely said 30. Okay, I think I'm done.
Wow.
Yeah, and I started when this phone call started. How long? Half an hour? Yeah, I'm good at this.
Yeah, it's been half an hour. Wow.
Yeah, I'm not bad at this, you know. Oh no, I need underwear. Damn it. What's in here? Oyster card. Okay, I need that. Passport, probably need that. I said I probably need my passport. Like I think I need it. You know?
Try it out.
Bag in a bag. Cute. Sunnies. Another pair of sunnies. Cool. Let's do those. Don't know where I put all the other ones now. I think I just leave them in bags and I don't remember where I've done with them.
What?
Sunglasses. Wow, Natasha's making a mess.
I mean, I'm on it now.
I mean, I'm not doing red lips, so...
You know?
No, I don't want to.
They're cool.
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Just depends how I'm feeling. I'm doing.
Don't want any of that. Don't really want that either.
I think I'm my jeans. My jeans.
I want this one. Either. I just need toothbrush and stuff now. Yeah. I told you this is why I'm doing it like this, because otherwise there's just no point for me.
The bank start till 10 and at 10. Someone says the whole degree you actually got the extra degree.
Ah, there you go then.
Yeah, I don't have that many outfits though. I feel like I'm losing. I'm gonna bring up my kimono. Should I bring my kimono? Is that a good idea?
Yeah, do it.
White shorts. So this is for sunbathing. This is for dinner. This is for daytime. This is for daytime. I'm gonna do like a black linen shirt with like camo short
Cute.
and white trainers.
Cute.
See what the other options are. Oh, actually, take a picture of this and tell me what you think about this. This is cute.
Do we need to put our passport details and stuff in now, or do we do that when we check in?
Wait, what?
Because we haven't put any of our passport stuff in.
No, we haven't. We probably should check it. That's a good idea.
Okay. Well, I don't have a laptop.
What do you think about this top? Should I bring it?
Yeah, love it. My beauty bag, because it can't be on. Huh? Okay, I'm gonna weigh my bag. What?
I'm gonna call you when I'm back.
Okay. Bye, love you.
Alright, bye.
Right, let's weigh it. Shouldn't be that much. Yeah, I think it's quite light. Old ancient scales that last time failed me. So I was definitely overweight the last time I flew. But, oh, this definitely doesn't. Okay, how is this doing? Okay, this side. 14. Wow. Okay. So, camera and tripod is going in the hand luggage. And then I am done. So, I'll see you in Paris. Bye guys.